Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
What time is it?
stand in your way.
It's classic sandwich time. This is ham and cheese with sourdough bread, lettuce, and mustard. Mike Classic Foster here, and it's another classic sandwich. I have dozens of classic videos, and I hope you like them as much as I like making them. This one is so simple, but so delicious because it's all about the ingredients. And it's a classic ham and cheese sandwich. Let's put this baby together. I'm classically hungry. All right, we got the 2 pieces of bread. We're gonna put the mustard down. Oh yeah, the mustard is the, ooh, that one came out fast. Slather that around. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Here we go. Yellow mustard, to me, is the one to use. Got the cheese. Mike gets a little mustardy sometimes. A little more mustard. There you go. I'm gonna put this lettuce on. Just like that. Here's your, oh, gorgeous. This is a smoked apple with smoked ham. Okay, don't get mad at me, man. Just do a little more mustard. I'm just gonna put a little pepper on that. Let's do the flipperoo. Oh yeah. Presseroo. Here comes the old sliceroo. Let's make it look pretty, Mike. Here's the reveal of a classic ham and cheese sandwich. All right, there's the close-up. Classic bite coming up. No more talking about it, Mike. Let's have a bite of this classic ham and cheese. Oh. It's called classic because it reminds you of when you were growing up. Your mom made you like a nice ham and cheese sandwich on, oh, nice bread with lots of mustard and a little crunchy lettuce. You taste it all. The cheese and the ham is perfect. It's the Sweet Baboo. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. And keep living life 365, eating classic, and doing it every day. Man, I can't wait to take another bite. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Classic. And that's going to be to put this leather. I'm wasting time, did I? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Channel. That is really classic. Have a good one.